Good day, everyone. My name is Tutor Dan. In today's class, we'll be looking at fraction conversion. In last class, we looked at three types of fraction. Number one, proper fraction or perfect fraction. Number two, improper fraction or imperfect fraction. And number three, mixed fraction. So if you look at proper fraction, it's already perfect. So it is perfect and proper the way it is. So there's no need for any conversion. However, we'll be looking at two types of fraction conversion. We'll be looking at converting improper fraction to mixed fraction, converting improper fraction to mixed fraction. As well as converting mixed fraction back to improper fraction. Converting mixed fraction to improper fraction. Now, in today's class, we'll focus on converting improper fraction to mixed fraction. And then in our next class, we'll focus on converting mixed fraction to improper fraction. Recall that we said improper fraction is a type of fraction in which the numerator is bigger, right? While the denominator is smaller. The denominator is smaller. So in a case where the numerator is bigger and the denominator is smaller, then say it is improper or it is imperfect. Examples, we have 8 over 3. We have 11 over 4, right? And then we also have, for example, 386 over 5. Now, to convert from improper fraction to mixed fraction, right, what we do is to divide the numerator by the denominator. We divide the numerator by the denominator, right? Examples. Number one, we have 8 over 3. 8 over 3 is clearly an improper fraction. So to convert 8 over 3 to mixed fraction, we divide 8 by 3. So if I have 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm dividing it into groups of 3. I have 1, 2, 3. That's 1. I have 1, 2, 3. That is 2. So we can only get 2 groups of 3 from 8. Now, these 2 groups becomes our whole number. Remember that mixed fraction is a type of fraction that has a whole number and a proper fraction. That is a perfect fraction. A fraction that has the numerator smaller than the denominator. So, the groups of 3 becomes the whole number. Now, the remainder, which is not up to 3, becomes our new numerator, and then we maintain the denominator, which is 3. So we've been able to convert 8 over 3 to mixed fraction, which has a whole number and a perfect fraction. Another example, we have 11 over 4. Now, to convert 11 over 4 to mixed fraction, all we need to do is to count 11, divide 11, and group it into groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Grouping it into groups of 4, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 2. Now, the remainder is 1, 2, 3, not up to 4. So, which means we can only find 2 groups of 4 in 11. Now, these two groups of 4 becomes our whole number, which is 2. Now, the remainder, 1, 2, 3, becomes the new numerator, which is 3. Then we maintain the denominator, which is 4. So 11 over 4 had been converted to 2 whole number, 3 over 4, which is a mixed fraction. It is a correct mixed fraction because it contains a whole number and a perfect fraction. Now, number 3, we have 386 over 5. Now, 386 divided by 5. If we are going to count 386, it will be time consuming. In my last video, in one of my videos I did on long division, I taught how to divide normally a larger digit by a single digit, right? All we need to do is to convert this 386 to a single digit division, and that will be 3 divided by the divisor, which is 5. 8 also is divided by 5. Then 6 is also divided by 5. So we can divide them one after the other. So we have 3 divided by 5. 3 divided by 5 obviously is 0, because if I count 3, 1, 2, 3, to group it in a group of 5, there can never be a 5 in 3. So that is 0. Remainder how many? Remainder 1, 2, 3. You see the remainder, push it to the next number, which is 3. So we have 38 now. 38 divided by 5 is 7. Remainder 3. Push it to 36. 36 divided by 5 is 7, right? But remainder 1. Now, this 77 now becomes our whole number. And then this remainder, which is 1, becomes the new numerator. Then we maintain the denominator, which is 5. That goes to say that 386 over 5 as an improper fraction is equal to 77 whole number 1 over 5 as a mixed fraction. Now, do this for me. Convert 4,292, right? Convert over 5, convert it to mixed fraction. Drop your answer for me in the comment section, and I'll be there to tell you whether you're right or you're wrong. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next class where we'll be looking at converting mixed fraction back to improper fraction. Please do to like, subscribe, and follow us across our social media at Goddan School of Mathematics. Till I come your way next time, bye for now.